Hello, this video shows you how to add error handling to your tests in an easy way. In the following scenario, we test our device with the traffic generator. We start by testing the connectivity to the device. If it fails, we end the test. Otherwise, we continue with the device configuration. We then run the traffic, analyze the results, and set the criteria. The first thing we can do in this test is to end the test with an error when the device didn't respond. This will help us later when reading the reports to see why this test wasn't running the way it should. Let's run it and see how it works. We run it first and we see that the device didn't respond, and then the test ended with an error. We will change the IP address now and run it again. This time we see that the test was paused on the config router step because of a timeout. Let's stop the test and see how we can handle it easily. This step has a fixed value of 3 seconds until it times out. Let's change it to take the timeout from a variable, since it really depends on the configuration that we send to the device and the time that it will take the device to process it. Now let's open the errors list and we can simply right-click on the error to create a new error handler. We can create the handler on the step itself or at higher levels like the mini canvas or test. We select the place and a new error handler is created for us with all the relevant details like the name and the condition. All we have to do now is to add the action. Because we have a timeout variable, we can add a match shell action that will increment the value of this variable. Then we can retry the step again with the new timeout. Let's run it again now and see what happens. We can see that there was a timeout, and then the step started again. This time it worked well. That's all. Using error handling makes your test more robust, and it is very easy to add it to your tests as you just saw.